This is the last discussion of the program for the integral part for moving forward before we actually implement the final program. And I would like to discuss something that we have, and as an end result, these are the different coefficients in our program. And in the end, we will have like three coefficients. We will have this C, B, and this C here. And these are different coefficients that we can use. Most importantly, these are the C and the B, and it is important to understand them because the program, as you download it from our site, might not directly work with your robot, and you might have, it depends on where is the gyro sensor, the wheels, the tires, the power, many things, and it will probably work in most of the cases, but you can always improve this by modifying some of the coefficients. So let's do a few experiments and discuss them.
Find this and more tutorials at FLLCasts.com.